Ready. Oh, say come boy, I stand base, then I'll betray me.
It's our time to represent the city where me come from. We have a real take the lead and we are gonna make the big songs. Can't let we random, don't mess up with go from. City with the legend, Lord Kenya or Chami rock song.
Big up a tumfuo, or say tutu and all of the kingdom. Asante manya wazo, Kumerica be the new name. Asafo, girls signal monaso. 24/7, Saturdays and nights, Kwanso.
Antimambo Samjim, a cause will hold me friend him. Representing the sea, a cheap like a boy.
Kumerica, Kumerica, na miti. Kumerica, Kumerica, na mafio. Kumerica, Kumerica, na miti. Kumerica, Kumerica, na mafio.
Sekrum, every Kumerican.
Before you pass out, it's your birthday, girl.
Thank you. Hey, you guys. Thank you, Kacho. Hey, wow.
Hey, Shorty, it's your birthday.
Wow. Hey, you guys didn't tell me to actually do my makeup. Hey guys. Hey, it's my birthday.
So, please play the.
Oh my god.
Saxman, come and stand by here.
Oh, this is so nice. Wow. You guys. I'm not even okay. Hey Zion! I didn't see you. Hey! Oh wow! Hey, I'm oh my god, you guys have done splendid! I'll take this deck off for 1 month. This is so nice. I should change. Control says I should change. My face. Should change. Are you sure? You said this dress is not nice.
Let's go wear something nice. But our account balance is not cooperating, so we are still on it. Once we settle it, I'll make a move.
But this is not bad.
Oh yes, this is just something small for Moisha and a few of her friends that I know she would really love to see.
Okay.
So I just decided to put it together.
It's not finance here.
Oh, chief organizer. Yeah.
As manager or as what?
Una ya papa na.
Una papa na. Una papa.
Papa no.
It's your manager.
Pano crown, you
know.
You know, pan no masaba pa. Now some no that.
Okay, so now she's been surprised. What next? What is going to happen?
Oh, now we are coming to sit and have breakfast. Okay. And then everybody present can tell her, give her a message of love and appreciation. And then we'll also hear what she also got to say. It's her day, and you know, Moisha is the flag bearer of Slay Prince. So she deserves the treat. She has brought something new.
So, which is?
Oh, come on, you know what I'm talking about.
No, I don't.
We don't know.
Oh, come on, what are you?
Which is?
No, she has brought the
donuts
and
hips
curvature into this country. Okay. So this is fire. I love fire. On behalf of all sleepers, today is the birthday of their flag bearer.
Of their party.
Commander in Chief.
A little
up to $3,000. Just about $3,000. Oh, for the second street. 17,000.
Belt, when are abortion belts?
Belt with belt is about 1,700. I
feel bullied.
Slippers. I don't know about 900.
I feel bullied.
950 pounds.
I'll see myself.
You know, and I chase now. I know the nobody. Chase now is about $2,400. Into total, you know, and then breakfast now by
10,000.
Total replay about a little 6,700.
It's a best thing, boy.
This is just very casual.
And to say no kind of crowd. Life is dear, and yet we both
pure good.
She's wearing your car. Car in the dance.
S-class, S-class that is that.
That's the look here for you. This one is. She didn't even come prepared. One night notice.
I feel such a party girl.
I feel so
360. Give them.
On them. $7,000.
Oh, look at the food. The breakfast is here. That's amazing. Oh, wow. There's a chef in the house. Hey. Wow. That's beautiful.
Nelson. Yeah. I'm not sure.